Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new amazing video. Hope you guys have a fantastic as always. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a nice Nike shirt. So it says Nike and Nike. Then here, a plane is passing by, guys. Sorry for that. Alright, okay. So in today's video right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Actually, before the video starts, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. We're almost like 300 subscribers. I couldn't have done without you guys. Thank you all so much for the support and all the help. I'm almost like 300 subscribers. So now today I'm going to be doing a simple card tricks that you can use to fool your friends or your families. You can basically get any cards, okay? So let's get this out. And now I'm going to be showing you the steps. So the first step what you want to do, right, is the oil pack. It's an oil pack. So the first step you're going to do, right, you're going to take 4 cards from out of the pack, 4 cards that look alike. 4 cards. So basically what I mean is like this. So you guys can see, let me turn it. So I got 4 cards, right? A 6 of spade, 6 of diamond, 6 of clubs, 6 of heart. 4 6s I got, right? And I know a lot of YouTubers are gonna say, well, a lot of YouTubers are gonna say, why I choose that number? They're gonna say, am I working with devil because it says 6666? And that's not why I chose it. That's not why I could have chose any other card. So right? I could have chose any other card. Okay. So now let's continue the trick now. So now what you want to do now, right? So when you got your 4 cards that look alike, you're gonna keep it in your hand, right? Keep it in your hand like this. Get your deck of cards. Alright. Yeah. Get your deck of cards. Put your deck of cards in your right hand, right? So deck of cards, right, is gonna be like this. So basically what you wanna do. So the 4 cards that you got, you're gonna put at the bottom. It's gonna look like this. You want it to be looking like this. So how you look, right? Then now what you wanna do now, right? What you wanna do, you're gonna see this flag index here, you're gonna push it at the back. So basically you're hiding that again. So basically it's gonna look even like this, which it's not. When you look at the back, it's gonna look like that. So now when you tell your friends that you're gonna be shuffling the cards, just pretending like, you know, you're only like shuffling these top ones. You can shuffle it like this way, that way, right? Alright, so once you done that now, right? Once you done that, separate them back. I got all my 4 cards right here. Then now you wanna line it up like this. You're gonna be like holding them like this. You wanna hold it like this. So you see that space right here? So basically you're separating the 4 cards from the pack, from the deck. So now, right, when you hold the hand sided like this, your fingers are like blocking. So they're not gonna see the space at the front too, right? So now you're gonna go to your friend and say, I'm gonna be pulling some cards and you're gonna tell me when to stop. So right? So now you pull the first card. Pull the first card, you put it there, show them, right? Then you pull again, boom. Pull till they say stop, right? If you pull now when they say stop, right? When they say stop, you pull your other card, then you show them this card. But wait, one more thing now, right? So when you pull card and they say stop, right? When they say stop, you're gonna get one of your cards, one of the 4 cards that you have hidden under the bottom. When they say stop on here, you're gonna take one of your cards now, slide it, then you're gonna show them it. So as you guys can see, you're gonna show them this card, then you're gonna show them it. So you're gonna rest it like right here. Rest it right there, put from the deck. Let me put the camera out somewhere, guys. There we go. So you're gonna put it right there, right? Now you pull more cards. Show them the rest of that. So you pull cards until they say stop. Boom. So now if they say stop and they park on that, you take one of your other card now from under the bottom, right? One of your other 4 cards, right? But now, you're not gonna show them this card. You're gonna put it aside just like that. Okay? Let's continue. So I'm just showing you from step to step. Go again until it says stop. Go again. Go boom. If they say stop, continue the same process. Right? You put that card right there. So in total you need 4 cards there. And you're only gonna show 1. So let's continue now until we're almost at 1. So boom. Right? Boom. Boom. If it says stop, then you pull your other card now. So now, when you're gonna pull a last card, join the packs. Join them, but make sure your hand are under the bottom so that your card don't get lost. Join, then you put your card right there. Once you put that there, just continue the process until it says stop again. Right? So when they say boom, right? When they say stop now, put the rest of your card right there. Hope this doesn't blow away. Let me put my key on it so the deck doesn't blow away. I know. So now, here comes the magic part. You take 4 cards, but still, you're not gonna show them. Only the 1 card you're gonna show. Just you should have it in your hand like this, right? Then you're gonna hold the hand like this and count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards, right? Hold on, guys. The plane is passing by. My God, it's interrupting me. Next, what you wanna do next is that. Sorry, guys, the plane. What you wanna do next is you're gonna do a little finger thing, right? Just snap your finger at the card, then you turn it over like that, right? So it should look like this. See the 2-6 showing? It should look like that, right? Then now, once you do that now, you're gonna take these 2 other cards, this one that's showing and the facing one, right? Then you snap your finger again. So when you hold these 2 cards at the back like this, then you wanna flick it like that. Let this one show, then you flick back this one like that, right? Then now they're gonna be surprised. They're gonna be like, whoa, wait, 3 6s? How did you do that, Christian? They're gonna be like, wait, don't tell me that's gonna be another 6. So now what you wanna do again now, right? You wanna do the same process. Just take 3 you can snap your finger again, make it more even. Flip the 3 of them. Like I showed them. Flip these other 2. Then bam! You got your 4 same cards in, right? It could be a king, queen, SSS. Any number you chose out there. Any number you choose. Let's say you pick 9. Let it be 4 9s in the hand. So it should look like this. And it should be looking like this. They're gonna be asking you, how did you do that, Christian? So if you ask that, just tell them that you can't reveal a secret. It's magic. Magic shouldn't be revealed. So now, yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you all did enjoy the video, this card trick. If you want to see more, again, give this video a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you get this video to 100 likes, and I'll show you all some other cool tricks. But before I go, let me show you something else before I go. Something that I learned. Hope I still can do. Let me show you one thing I can do. 1, shuffle. Show your last trick, right? Let's say now you turn over the cards. Right? You ask the audience to pick a card. Let's say they say 5 of clubs, right? Now, when they pick that card, right? When they pick that card, just ask them to look at it. They will let them see you. Then you tell them to put at the top. So when you put at the top now, right? When you put at the top, it's gonna look like this. But from the back, it's gonna look like this. See this little space? So now, when you're gonna go shuffle the card, right? You're gonna put your thumb under it. Put your thumb right here under it. Then now, you pull, boom. Then do it reflex fast. Then put your hand, cover it back like this. Put it down under there like this. You should be looking like this again, right? Then now, you just stand right, you're going to be shuffling the cards. So what you want to do now, you see my finger right here? Split the cards, shift this card deck up. Then you're gonna place this deck underneath, like that. So basically pretend that you're shuffling the cards, right? Then now, turn it sideways, like this to you, but don't let them see this card right there. Then, what you wanna do next, so when you're gonna shuffle, right? The cards is easiest, right? So now, what you wanna do next is, again, you're gonna split the card, bam, put this under the bottom. But remember, when you put it under the bottom, it should be looking like this. You should still have your card like this. See your card? So this is your card, right? So now, when you do that, then now again, boom, put this under the bottom. Then your card. So look, your card is in right here in between. Take some from the top, put under the bottom. Then your card is gonna be on the top, right? Then I say now. Then you're gonna go like this. Snap your fingers, right? And then you're gonna just talk to him and say, what if I could make a card appear on the top just by snapping my fingers one last time? And they're gonna be like, no, you can't do that, right? Then you go like this. Snap your fingers, right? Then you go like this. Is this your card? Then they're gonna be like, whoa, why did you do that? They're gonna be surprised. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Again, we're almost at 300 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, my friends. Oh, and have you all, so as you guys can see, I've changed my YouTube name and stuff. So now my last name is Forbes. So my YouTube name now is Lil Forbes Official. That's my YouTube name now, Lil Forbes Official. So basically now, I used to call my fans the Genius fans. So now, I'm going to be calling my fans. So since my last name is Forbes, I'm going to be calling them I was going to say the Fox fan, but no, Tanner Fox already named Fox. I'm going to say actually, I'm going to say, what if I say Team Forbes? Or the Forbes squad? Or I could say the Fearless squad. Because Fearless starts with F, and a lot of people think that my last name is a millionaire name because my last name it's on so many millionaire magazines. My last name is all over the world. It's like a millionaire name. So people think like I'm a millionaire. Which someday I'm gonna be a millionaire. So yeah. As I said again, hope you guys did enjoy that video. And I see you all in the next one. Have a great day. A fantastic Sunday. Actually. Yeah. Have a great day. I see you all in the next one. Peace out. Wait. Before we go. Before we go, yeah. One last thing before we go, guys. One last thing. One last thing before we go. You all ready? Watch this. Look at this. Watch. You see that? I just turned the 5 into a 10. Now watch. Spin. Boom. Upside down. Now it's a 2. Now it's a 2. A 5. Now it's a 5. See you all in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Peace out.